Let us discuss about room temperature aluminum cleaner. This formulation is of mild acidic type. It has got the following components: non-ionic surfactant, citric acid, sodium gluconate, ammonium difluoride, sodium benzoate, then demineralized water. Non-ionic surfactant. It is a degreasing agent, or you can call it a wetting agent also. So this is around 1 to 2%. Then this is by weight. And then we have got the citric acid. This is an organic acid, a weak acid. That is, you know, lemon. Lemon contains citric acid. So this is a mild chelating and cleaning agent. And that is why we can put this citric acid that is around 2 to 5 percentage by weight. Then we can add sodium gluconate. It's a chelating agent. So it stabilizes the chemical actually. The typical weight percentage is 1 to 3%. Then we can take ammonium difluoride or bifluoride. In fact, this is an etching chemical, so there will be a slight etching. But if it is an anodized aluminum, don't use that. And this is recommended between zero point 0.5 and 1 percentage. Then you can take sodium benzoate. So this sodium benzoate acts as a corrosion inhibitor, and it can be added in the range of zero point 0.5 to, that is 1 percentage. So the balance is demineralized water, and you can make it up to 100 kg. Okay, but make sure that this ammonium difluoride is not acceptable in the case of anodized aluminum. So you have to check whether aluminum component is an anodized one or not. So based on that, you have to use this ammonium bifluoride. So let me repeat, this should not be used if it is an anodized aluminum, because it has got the etching character that will etch the anodized layer also. Okay, so we must avoid that one. Then operating conditions. So this chemical will work out at room temperature, say 25 to 35 degrees Celsius, and maximum duration will be 5 to 10 minutes immersion, or you can do it by manual wiping also. Then it should be thoroughly rinsed with water after 5 degrees Celsius, and maximum duration will be 5 to 10 minutes immersion, or you can do it by manual wiping also.
Attention surface coating entrepreneurs, paint chemists, and coating chemical manufacturers. Introducing the saitechinfo Coating Manual, a professional grade resource tailored just for you. Dive into precise formulation guidelines, step by step process details, and complete lists of machinery and equipment essential for every coating operation. Discover reliable raw material suppliers, study real world case studies, and apply troubleshooting strategies that work in actual plant conditions. Maintain excellence with proven quality assurance protocols and standard testing methods trusted by the industry. Still have questions? Our expert led doubt clinics and premium consultations ensure you're never stuck. Whether you're scaling up production or perfecting a new formulation, the saitechinfo Coating Manual is your technical partner. Stay ahead, formulate smarter, lead the coating revolution. Subscribe today for SciTech Coating Manual. Join in our WhatsApp coating channel.